Yet we still find the time to break our Father's heart, thinking that we are being so very smart, while the devil continues to throw his burning fiery dart straight into our heart, causing the foolish people to remain in unforeseen dark, from where they will never depart. And as far as the light is concerned, they will never again receive a single spark. However, they will receive all of the pain as they fall into the burning fiery flames, all because they mistook the love of God for a monopoly game. What a crying shame. Plus, they refused to work while it was day. Now the night has come, and there is no more need to pray, because they have decided to do things their own way. Therefore, there is nothing left to say, unless, my friend, you're waiting for me to say the end. Okay? The end. But it doesn't have to be the end, your end. For we have a God in heaven who loves us so much that he died for all of our sins. Therefore, all you need to do is call on him, and he will gladly come in. And this is truly the only way it should ever end.
Love.